Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen want to turn on issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and click on restart. After click on restart and go back to home screen, you will see after restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Reset and click on Reset All Settings. After click on Reset All Settings, enter your phone pin, click on Continue and click on Reset. After click on Reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on again Settings app, scroll down to and click on General Management. Click on Reset and scroll down to and click on Factory Data Reset. After click on Factory Data Reset and click on Reset. After click on Reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen want to turn on issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.